Good morning, everybody. Today, let us start accounting standard. I've already told you what is accounting standard. You know all these things, but still let us go a bit inside about what is accounting standard. So will you write 2-3 lines and then I'll again explain. Please write the word standard. The word standard in accounting literature is of recent origin. ठीक है से? It was in 1969. The word standard has been the word standard. Standard you can put in single quotation. Was first used. Okay? That means principles were long back there, but it was for the first time in 1969 the word standard has been picked up. You shall find long list of standards. In every country there are accounting standards. In India also there is accounting standard. In UK accounting standard. You will find accounting standard all over the world. But then when the word was first used, it was in 1969. This is for your knowledge, right? And after that now lots of standards have come. So let us study a bit more about standard. At the end of 1969, the British introduced the term standard. The term standard quotation, single quotation, when they set up their accounting standards steering committee, STEERING, steering committee. So here you understand that the Britishers first used the word standard in 1969 and they organized a committee, accounting standard steering committee. And let's see what about America. And the Americans adopted the term standard. In 1973 by creating Financial Accounting Standard Board. So here you have found when the standard was used by UK and when the standard was used by Americans. Very interesting. So what is in your mind? These are great countries, two great countries, main countries. And what is in your mind next? Naturally, India, right? Let's write one line about India. Okay, you write, in India, the term became popular. In April 1977. When the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India formed Accounting Standard Board. In bracket you can write ASB. Very good. So we have seen here about 3 countries when the standard was first used. we shall see what is standard and we shall see what is account standard after some time. But first I've told you which country first used it, the word standard. I've told you UK and USA and then India. So if you talk about India, I'm adding some extra information. See, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India was formed in which year? Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, was an act passed in 1949. Very good. 1949. In India, ICAI was formed in 1949. And I told you the other day also that every institution has got some logo. Like Guwahati Commerce College has some logo. What is it? Anybody? Guwahati Commerce College logo? Vidyaya Vimuchyate. You wash your ignorance through education. That's the meaning. So Institute of Chartered Accountants of India also has some logo. And there what is written? See, this is written. Yo Esha Supteshu Jagati. Yo Esha Supteshu Jagati. So this is written as in the logo of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And there is a bird also, you can see from the WhatsApp, there is a bird. This bird is not eagle. Specifically, this bird is Garura. Garur, there is a bird. You might have found in mythology also. And this was given by Rishi Aurobindo. Rishi Aurobindo, he was at that time in Pondicherry, and the committee of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India approached him and some other people also for giving some message, what can be used here. Many people gave, and ultimately it was, on 5th of December was the death anniversary of Rishi Aurobindo, and he expired in 5th of December 1950. And before that, he gave this message. And I advise all of you to see in the Google what is the logo of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Yo Esha Suptesha Jagati. This is given it. It means when everybody will be sleeping, you remain awake. Everybody is sleeping, you remain awake. That is meant for the auditors. And this is the thing. In every country today, these things are there. That accountants may do whatever they like, but auditor is there to check it. He's awake every time. Anyway, come back to that. I told you a story about. It's very interesting because you may have lots of connection with ICAI in future. They're having their branches in 42 countries of the world. ICAI, very famous accounting body, very large accounting body of India. Anyway, then now come what is standard. Exactly, what is standard? One line you please write. According to Oxford English Dictionary, standard means quotation, a level of quality or attainment, 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 comma, a required or agreed level of quality, or required or agreed, agreed level of quality or attainment, or a grade of proficiency tested by examinations. Unquote. Now please see what is standard. You might have learned that which standard you are studying. You say, I am studying in second standard, small child, or you are studying at BCom standard. This is a question of CA standard. That way we say standard. It's a level of attainment, of quality. It's a quality. This much is a standard, means this much is the quality. Right? See the difference once again? A level of quality or attainment. Clear? A required or agreed level of quality or attainment or a grade of proficiency tested by examinations. So it means that it's a level of quality. This definition is given by Oxford Dictionary. Now come to what is account standard. Please write next para. Accounting standards prescribe definite rules for treating specific events and disclosing the same in financial statements to make them uniform, neutral, reliable and comparable. So you have understood that standards are in everything. You can find the word standards in anything. If it is related to accounts, it is account standard. Very simple. It may be in education, so you say education standard. It may be in anything you can say. The standard is a level of quality that you have attained. You are of that standard. See, you are in BCom standard, and your younger brother sister may be in 10 standard. This is standard. So when standard is used in accountancy, it becomes account standard. These are some prescribed rules. What is the aim? Aim is to make the accounts uniform, comparable, reliable. These are the qualitative characteristics of accounting. You know it. So those things you can maintain, you can achieve only if you follow some rules, and these rules are known as accounting standards. If these are not followed, then those features of quality features will not be attained. Write one more line. Accounting standards can also be defined as standardized practices issued by accounting professional bodies for making accounting objective, reliable and unbiased. So these are you have defined what is accounting standard. We have not even seen what are the accounting standards. Accounting standards for every country, there are accounting standards. But in 1973 June, there was a conference in UK. I told you, in 1973 June, there was a conference in which country? UK. And they formed IASC, International Accounting Standard Committee, June 1973. Please remember, these are for short notes. And many countries joined this conference and agreed that internationally there should be some standards. so as to help the international trade. And IASC was forming international accounting standards since 1973. International accounting standards they are forming. It was in 1973. Now, in 1949, Institute of Chartered Accountants was formed, and in 1977, Institute of Chartered Accountants formed another sister body. This is ASB, Accounting Standard Board. And Accounting Standard Board started formulating accounting standard for India only. An Indian accounting standard, you can say IAS, there will be confusion. So Indian accounting standard was known as what? AS. Only AS. Then what happened in 2001? IASB was formed in 2001. IASB means International Accounting Standard Board. And when IASB was formed in 2001, they said, we are not going to form any accounting standard. We are going to form something else. We are not going to form any IAS. They will be forming accounting standard, no doubt, but it will not be called IAS. This should be called IFRS. Please remember, IFRS. International Accounting, International Financial Reporting Standards. IFRS. So please remember, this was formed since 2001, 2 like that, and all the countries, most of the countries accepted. India accepted IFRS. Indian IFRS has been implemented in India in 2016, and after that also lots of procedures are going on. But since 2001 to only India Institute of Chartered Accountants having lots of connection with IASB. How to introduce it in India? In 2005 only South Africa accepted IFRS, and many countries accepted, but America was not ready to accept because America have FASB, USA, FASB, Financial Accounting Standard Board. So they said we shall follow our principle only. Ultimately now they are following, lots of meetings are going on because without IFRS you cannot go for international trade properly. And now India has also made some changes. In earlier standards of India was AS. You'll find please find a list of AS1, AS2, AS3, AS4 like that. Which is what? This you shall find out. These are there, but Ministry of Corporate Affairs of India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, remember there is a ministry for corporate affairs. It's known as Ministry of MCA, India. MCA, they have ultimately prescribed that the standards that India makes should no longer be AS, it will be IND-S. IND-S. That is Indian accounting standards. So these things are there regarding accounting standards. You just remember which country is doing what. And next we shall find a list of IFRS, list of IAS, list of AS, then list of IND-S. These things you are going to study item by item. Today's class was over just a background about how standard, the word was used. These are actually basically principles only, but they have been given some standardized form. So this and actually what's the meaning of standard I told you. So in accountancy also you have to maintain some standard. Then it will be accounting standard. But one thing you see, in between principle and standard, please study the difference between principle and standard, everybody. Please study the difference between principle and standard. This may be a question also, but you should know the details. Standard is a better word. Standard is a better word. And you see, the standard is still there. When you say AS, accounting standard, IAS, International Accounting Standard, FASB, Financial Accounting Standard Board, IASB, International Accounting Standard Board, ASB for India, Accounting Standard Board. Everywhere the word standard is there. See, IFRS, there is also standard. This standard is always there everywhere. Oh, sir. Okay, thank you.